Hello, trading is closed on July 27th, 2020. We'll go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early high. This is it. We said unless we gapped and promptly took out Friday's high, we should see this price. But we said that wasn't unlikely because we had good support here. And we did gap and promptly take out that price. So no call. That number gets added to the list. Here's what we said. Gapping up wasn't impossible. Gap and prompt move outside the range. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. Had a buy signal here, said this drop was false, would retrace. A buy signal here, said that would retrace, and all that's happened. Doesn't tell us much about tomorrow. In fact, this action today didn't tell me much of anything. We had this big reversal Thursday. We've been trying for 2 days to prove it wasn't the real thing. And despite rallying for 2 days, haven't managed to accomplish much. This is your impulse down. This is your overlapping corrective move up. Nothing's for sure if they undercut some lows. If we overtake this high, the whole idea is wrong. But to me, there's a good chance. The longer we go without overtaking this high, the greater the chance a big drop is going to come. So, tomorrow's pattern has the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. Typically, it's a rally day with an early low and a late high. Unless we drop big early, which I'm not predicting one way or the other, day tends to be positive. If we do drop big early, it tends to mean more weakness the days ahead. So far, the markets have failed to invalidate last week's reversal. Trading may be restrained ahead of Wednesday's FOMC meeting. I'm not saying we hit the drop tomorrow. The daily pattern is usually a rally day, but the longer we go without surpassing last week's high, the more vulnerable we are to having a big drop, and I still think we're in an area where caution is warranted. Even if the daily pattern tomorrow usually is a rally day, doesn't mean it has to be a big rally. And that's today's call.